Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejelau Bak Prestun Tensong Menta Kasingi Kasantrik Ukala Lengkot Hajar Arpoar Habakran Sekilat Pathai Kubor Ulabu Kejing Kerpat Jur Sekipat Ba Kibanadu Katsan Senem Shaneng Ban Shimno Ikatika Namar Deitang Kane Kalat Banyada Nakane Kaklam Jingpang Bat Menta Layu Iru Ika Third Wave Jong Kane Kaklam Covid Kharkhandai Kablas Dang Banwanpur Hagajela Lada Shim Sting Kanbu Jingma Shikat Day Barulo ongru banakaliang ka sorkar kan persangkat bala banambu daga lockdown lani daga jingkhang dam ha ka jella hi borok away namar kalakta pelat deka yok ka kot jong ka jella Henry Don Kampat ka jinge trelang jong ki ba baro ban ai ketika khnang ban onam don kamshu ban khangdam lada baro kilayada lupai lade lengba kane ketika Ula banjuru iki ba jong kejela daga ba ulo ong hab banang kumno ban imlang bat uniu virus laniu khnyang jingpang daga ba bud iki protokol kumbala ptha daga World Health Organization lani daga sarkar lengba katanat ka koi kakhia bat kumbala jule haki arsnem bala len
said the question of lockdown does not arise, and that would be the last resort if we have to, but taking into consideration what has happened 2 years back, we have seen people suffered a lot economically. So I think if you ask Meghalaya government or any other government in the country, I think they will not prefer at all for lockdown. We are not at all preferred for lockdown. Now I'm telling you, not necessarily only the government employees. I'm telling you, each and every citizens of the state from 15 years and above. 15 years and above. Our advisories is very clear. Please go and get yourself vaccinated. Because this is the only way out. Well, people ask questions. I think I saw posted in YouTube is that. They said, then what is the point of taking vaccination? Because again, we get infection. Again, those vaccinated people, they get infected, right? But let us be very, very clear. Vaccination is to reduce the severity, the fatality. Though you get infected, but severity will not be there. And then you will not succumb to the virus. That's why I'm telling you, the entire world, why they keep pressurizing citizens of the respective country. Go for vaccination. Do vaccination. When you do vaccination means you get yourself protected. You get yourself protected, not infection, but you get yourself protected from severity and succumbing to the virus. Request fervently to the parents and then even to the children from 15 and above. I will not say now 15 to 18. I will just say 15 and above who has not taken vaccination to kindly do that as early as possible. Because the third wave has already started. So we will be safe only with vaccination. Otherwise there is no medicine and there is no solution to this. Because this virus you don't know when is going to end or when it's going to leave us. But it seems virus will continue to be here, will continue to be in the community, even in our household. Therefore, I would request all concerned citizens of the state, please just go yourself to the vaccination center and get yourself also vaccinated.